folks, my name is Mike. I am with I-80 Equipment. Today I'm here to show you a 2008 Hino 338. It's equipped with an Altec TA50MH boom. I'll show you that boom and all of its features. First thing you want to do is hop up in the cab. Roll the ignition forward. Let it cycle through. It is a diesel. Go ahead and fire it up. Want to turn your lights on. Make sure that you're in neutral. Make sure the air brakes are set. Engage your PTO. Compartment lights if necessary. And here is your strobes. We have wig-wag, left, left center, right, right center, center. Whatever you need. We'll leave them on the wig-wags for the demonstration. The vehicle is equipped with Outriggers front and rear. We have your front and rear. Of course, your start-stop. DC pumping gauges. Release. Restart. Throttle's up. Throttle's down. The last is your tool circuit. Passenger side, we have your unit or ground functions. Start stop DC pump here also. Press and hold. DC pump engages after a few seconds. Release. Repress. Then we have your front and rear outriggers here also, with your throttle control down below. At this time, I'll drop your outriggers. Once you're all said and done, you want to make sure that you flip it to the unit. That way you have power upstairs to the unit. Can't play with a limp unit. We have start-stop DC pump. Throttle control here. Hold for a few seconds, DC pump engages. Release, press again. After a few seconds, you can engage your high idle again. Controls, very clearly marked. Upper one is upper controls. Middle is lower controls. All the way is emergency stop. Your winch pay in, pay out. Extension retraction. Lower boom, or the upper boom actually. Lower arm, raise and lower. Clockwise, counterclockwise rotation of the boom. This boom has been certified and dielectric tested by I-80 Equipment. Those certifications are good for 1 year. 2-man bucket. We have your rotation for the platform. Platform tilt. Emergency stop. Make sure that's pulled up at all times unless you don't want to move. Start stop DC plunger. Press down and hold. It'll shut down. Continue to hold. We'll run the DC pump. Release after the DC pump. Press down again to restart. I'll show you that when I get upstairs. Articulating arm. Raise to raise the upper arm. Press down to lower the lower arm. To your left to raise. To the right to lower the lower arm. Extension. Retraction. We twist the handle. And then clockwise, counterclockwise, we push and pull the controller towards us. We have your tools hook up here, throttle control here, tools A over by the jib, winch pay in, pay out, lower arm of the jib, which is this part here, upper arm, which is this part over here, and then we have the tools A, off, B. So this time I'm going to fly from the upper and lower controls, show you that everything works. middle section. We'll raise your outriggers at this time. To do that, remember to push it back 2 ground functions, and then we'll raise your outriggers. After we're all said and done, we can start the vehicle, shut it back down. Once back inside the vehicle, we can start with the power to your strobes. PTO goes off, you can hear the motor kick back down. Obviously, if you're running at high idle for a long time, you could possibly heat the motor up a little bit, so you might want to let it cool down for a second or two. For today's purposes, we're probably just fine. I'm going to shut your key off. In the console beside me here, I've got a bunch of owner's manual, one for the truck, Altec cover book, and then an operator's manual for this style boom. All those come with the truck today. We have a nice clean vehicle, low mileage. Fire extinguisher already inside the cab for you. DOT has been done. That is good for 1 year. Has been done by I-80 equipment. We have your driver's side steer, driver's side engine compartment, walk around the hood. We have the passenger side steer, passenger engine compartment, I'm not sure if I showed you when I was up in the bed, but you do get 4 outrigger pads, extra jib extension and piece. Those are with the truck. They'll stay with the truck. Inside of the compartments, passenger side, plenty of room for storage. We have the passenger drive tires. Better look at the parts and pieces they come with. You do have your tool circuit hookups in the rear bumper here. Through box on the driver's side. Rest of the compartments, driver's side. We have drive tires, driver's side, and last compartment box. Thank you for purchasing from I-80 Equipment. Enjoy your vehicle.